Welcome to this tutorial on how to use copy trading on Tapbit app. Copy trading allows you to automatically mimic the trades of experienced traders. Let's go through the process step by step. 1. Enter copy trade on Tapbit app. Enter Home's page, click More, Copy Trade. 2. View and search traders. You can also search for traders you are familiar with, or filter matches based on different needs. Then click the profile of the trader. You'll see the trader's performance page, including performance, history, and followers trading data for follow trader and copy trade setting. On the trader's home page you want to follow, click on Copy Now at the bottom. Enter the copy trade setting page. If the derivative account assets are insufficient, please firstly use the transfer function to transfer the funds from the spot account to the derivative account. Then proceed to complete the copy mode and limit settings. If trader has enabled the zero slippage copy trade, click Advanced. You can view and make detailed settings for the order you will copy. Here at Supported Pair, you can see all the coins traded by the trader as well as the coins that support zero slippage. After above, clicks Confirm. You've successfully completed the setting. 5. Personal Copies page. Check the following traders and position. By clicking on Back to My Copies, you will enter your home page. Here you can view your current profit and loss, as well as current and historical position details. 6. Adjustment of copying settings. On the My Copies page, find and click into the trader's profile. Click Edit. Adjust the corresponding settings and clicks Confirm. 7. Unfollow trader. Repeat the same steps to adjust copying settings and click Unfollow in the upper right corner. Reconfirm Unfollow in the pop-up window to complete.